Finished product, y'all. Here goes my chicken. There's one of my fried cornbread fritters. I'm still cooking them. And here's my fried cabbage. See? I don't cook them till they turn colors, y'all. I cook them a little bit, get them way over half, and I cut them off. And that's my fried cabbage. No water. That's the trick to cooking fried cabbage and collard. And I started another pan of chicken. But that's the finished product, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will try it if you want to experience or try to cook fried cabbage. This will be a great time to try and see if you like it. Bye now. I'll be back.